market of Bursa Malaysia. On behalf of the exchange, I extend my warmest congratulations to the Board of Directors, management team, and employees of THMY Holdings on achieving this important corporate milestone. Join me in a round of applause. Today's listing also marks our 35th ACE Market IPO, contributing to a total of 45 IPOs on Bursa Malaysia year to date. This underscores the exchange's ability to meet the capital raising needs of companies of all sizes across diverse industries. I also like to commend THMY Holdings for achieving an impressive oversubscription rate of 35.57 times, a clear indication of investor confidence in your business fundamentals, growth prospects, and leadership strategic direction. Well done. With its public debut today, THMY Holdings is poised to achieve a market capitalization of 275.3 million ringgit, based on an enlarged issued share capital of 888 million shares, at an IPO price of 31 cents per share. Ladies and gentlemen, with a 17-year track record, THMY Holdings has built a solid reputation in automated test solutions industry, serving a broad spectrum of clients in the electrical and electronics, or better known as the E&E sector. From its early beginnings providing in-house circuit test software development services, the group has grown remarkably to offer comprehensive automated test solutions, demonstrating both technical capability and adaptive business mindset in keeping pace with industry evolution. Over the years, THMY Holdings has successfully expanded its scale of operations, strengthened its competencies, and developed a strong portfolio of multinational customers, reflecting the group's ability to deliver high quality and reliable solutions to meet global standards. To the board, management of THMY Holdings Berhad. Transitioning to a PLC not only brings greater visibility, but also heightened responsibilities and expectations that come with it. The board's role as a compass, guiding strategy, promoting good governance, and sustaining stakeholder trust has never been more critical. For the board to lead with clarity, we encourage you to embrace transparency, ask bold questions, and foster a culture where diverse perspectives drive decisions. In this regard, I commend THMY Holdings for its well-balanced board, with more than half the board comprising independent directors and at least 30% women directors. We believe that diverse perspective contributes meaningfully to robust decision-making and sustainable growth. In just a few moments, the hitting of the gong will echo through the listing gallery, marking THMY's entry into the public market, joining more than 1,000 other PLCs at Bursa Malaysia. Once again, congratulations to the leadership and employees of THMY Holdings on this achievement, and thank you for choosing Bursa Malaysia as a growth partner. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
For the opening remarks. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it is my pleasure to invite Dr. Muhammad Sofi bin Osman, Chairman of THMY Holdings Berhad, to deliver his speech. Dr. Muhammad Sofi, the stage is yours.
Thank you, KK. Sorry, it will take a while because, at my age, I need Encik Yulen Hashim, Chief Regulatory Officer of Bursa Malaysia Berhad, Encik Hasli bin Hashim, Chairman of African Investment Bank Berhad, fellow directors of management team of THMY Holdings Berhad, members of the due diligence working group, honorable and distinguished guests and members of the media. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning. Today, we are not just listing the company. We are celebrating an ideal realized. We celebrate the journey of a very passionate team, from a vision on the whiteboard to a name on the board of Usam Malaysia. The moment is a testament to the power of perseverance. Be a story that began with a very dedicated group of engineers who believe they could push the boundaries of what's possible in automated testing. Today, that belief is echoed by the overwhelming confidence of the investment community and is cemented as we officially debate on the ACE market. The sound of the gong, which we will soon strike, is not a finishing line. It is actually a starting pistol. It signals the beginning of our next, most exciting chapter. From our humble roots, we have grown into a trusted partner, and we now stand ready to play a pivotal role in propelling the Malaysian E&E and semiconductor ecosystem on the global stage. I am thrilled to share that our IPO, raising 44.6 million ringgit, was met with resounding validation, being oversubscribed by an incredible 35.6 times. This is not just a number, it is a chorus of confidence in our business, our people, and also our culture. But with this confidence comes responsibility. We will deploy this capital with precision and purpose. 25.9 million will build our new foundation for growth through a state-of-the-art factory in Berhad. So we invited you to come and visit our factory. And 25.2 million will fortify our financial bedrock, repaying our bank borrowings. 3.7 million will equip us with advanced machinery, supercharging our production floor. And 1.9 million will fuel the lifeblood of our company, the R&D and the innovation. And another 3.1 million will ensure we remain agile and responsive as we grow, with the remaining balance be used for listing-related expenditure. This is our investment in not just growing bigger, but growing smarter, stronger, and more resilient. As we look ahead, our mission is very, very clear. We will not just keep pace with industries transformed by the AI, data, and also cloud computing. We will power their progress indeed. The future demands intelligent, connected testing solutions, and we are positioned to be the architect of that future. We will deepen our customer partnership, expand our regional footprint, and set new benchmarks for excellence. Our pledge to the world to be your worldwide partner of all your testing excellence. Of course, a vision is nothing without the people who bring it to life. On behalf of the board, I extend our deepest gratitude to Usam Malaysia and the relevant authorities for their guidance. A special thank you to Affin Hwang Investment Bank, our steadfast partners on this journey. To the diligence working group, your meticulous effort were the scaffolding of this success. And finally, to the heart and soul of the THMY team, our team, your dedication, ingenuity, and integrity are the true engine of our company. My sincere congratulations to our CEO, Mr. Kenneth Uy, a visionary leader whose unwavering belief has inspired all of us. This is your milestone. And also congratulations to the family and also to Madam Hong, the mother of Kenneth. So your presence here today adds significance to this moment. This is not the end of our story, but the brilliant beginning of a new volume. We are immensely excited for the future, and we thank you for being part of it. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Dr. Muhammad Sofi, for that remarkable speech. I'm sure that today marks the beginning of an exciting chapter for THMY Holdings Berhad, and we eagerly look forward to the accomplishments that lie ahead. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, before we move to the highlight of today's proceedings, please allow me to give you some brief updates on the market and trading information on THMY Holdings Berhad. THMY Holdings Berhad will debut on the ACE market of Bursa Malaysia bearing the stock code of 0375 and a stock short name of THMY. THMY Holdings Berhad will be listed under the technology sector of the ACE market of Bursa Malaysia. At 9 a.m. sharp, THMY Holdings Berhad will strike the gong, indicating that trading has begun. To mark this historic moment, may I have the pleasure of inviting Dr. Muhammad Sofi bin Osman, Chairman of THMY Holdings Berhad, and Mr. Ui Ken Nix, Executive Director and CEO of THMY Holdings Berhad. Joining them will be Dr. Cheok Lei Leng, Ms. Chua Hui Yuan, Ms. Au Lei, Mr. Chu Ya Yi. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming them onto the stage. As we have a moment to spare, I would like to invite our guests for a group photo before we commence the countdown. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now 8:58 a.m. and we're only 2 minutes away from striking the gong. Please feel free to step forward and capture photographs of this momentous occasion.
Okay, next Dato', maybe you act like you want to eat. Then your eyes here, guys.
Big smiles, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 8:59 a.m. and we're 1 minute away from striking the gong. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. We're just moments away from the stroke of 9 a.m. Please feel free to hit the gong as many times as you please. Join me as we count down together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On behalf of Brunei Malaysia, our hearty congratulations to the board members and management of THMY Holdings Berhad, their advisor, and all the relevant parties involved in the successful listing ceremony.
Not 310, eh?
Tadi kan bawa cakap kan 70 kan? I think masa prospectus it was 31 cents. Read it. Good morning, fellow investors, and welcome to KleverStock. I am Ainun Jaria, reporting to you live from Bursa, Malaysia for yet another exciting ACE market debut. This time it's THMY Holdings Berhad, a Penang-based automated test solutions provider making waves in Malaysia's electrical and electronics E&E industry. So it is a lively atmosphere here today at THMY Holdings officially joins the ACE market, marking a proud milestone for the company and its founders. The ceremonial gong has been struck, signaling the start of their journey as listed entity. Now here's a quick snapshot for the IPO. Priced at 31 cents per share, THMY is raising up to 44.6 million ringgit from its listings exercise. But since the gong has been struck, its opening price is actually 80 cents. The IPO involves a public issue of 143.9 million new shares and an offer for sale of 88.8 million existing shares, representing about 26.2% of its enlarged share capital. Upon listing, THMY is valued at approximately 275.3 million ringgit. So proceeds from the IPO will mainly fund the construction of a new factory, machinery purchases and R&D activities, while also supporting working capital and loan repayments. The new facility will significantly expand THMY's manufacturing capabilities as it gears up for growing demand across global E&E markets. Now, for your information, THMY is actually founded in 2008, and it specializes in automated test systems from in-circuit and functional circuit testing to full turnkey solutions serving multinational clients across the US, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Over the years, the company has also diversified into industrial automation and after-sales maintenance services, catering to sectors such as semiconductors, telecommunications, industrial, and healthcare. THMY's strong fundamentals are reflected in its performance. The group's profit after tax grew at an impressive compound annual rate of nearly 97%, rising from 1.3 million in the financial year 2022 to 10 billion ringgit in financial year 2025. With Affin Hwang Investment Bank as its principal advisor, sponsor and underwriter, the placement agent THMY's debut marks another strong addition to the growing list of E&E players on Bursa. So for investors looking for exposure to Malaysia's high-tech manufacturing and semiconductor ecosystem, THMY Holdings Berhad is definitely one to watch. We'll be back shortly with the Morning Bell updates back in the studio. Stay tuned on KleverStock.